In this video, I'm going to teach you how to join Among Us Discord server. So this one is actually relatively easy. You just need to go over to any browser that you currently have. On my case, it's a Chrome browser and go over to this link, which is discord.com/invite/Among Us Gaming. You can see right here the Among Us Discord server with 56,000 online and 514,000 members currently. You can just head over and click on this accept invite. Now, if you're already logged in into your Discord either on your phone, you can head over and then just join a server. You also need to click onto this link and you will be automatically redirected to your Discord app and you will be prompted to actually accept invite based on that. Click onto this accept invite, and once you have done this, you can head over and then join the Discord server for the Among Us. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.